Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Trust Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have both the Trust Wallet and Binance apps installed on your device. These are your gateways to the crypto world, so keep them updated for the best experience. Start by opening Trust Wallet and navigating to your XRP wallet. You'll see your balance right there. Exciting, right? Next, hop over to the Binance app or website. Log in securely, then go to your wallet section and select XRP. Copy the deposit address provided. This is super important because one wrong digit could send your XRP into the void. Pro tip: in 2025, Binance might have enhanced security features, so double-check for any QR codes or verification steps. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Send button for your XRP. Paste that Binance address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, XRP transactions are lightning fast on the XRP Ledger network, but always review fees. They can vary based on network congestion. Before you hit confirm, take a quick breath and verify everything. You'll need to authenticate with your PIN, fingerprint, or whatever security method you have set up. Once done, sit back and watch the magic happen. Head back to Binance and refresh your wallet. Your XRP should show up in no time. If it doesn't, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. And that's it, folks. You've just mastered transferring XRP in 2025. Always prioritize security in the crypto space, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.